Today I'm adding a handrail at the top of the stairs to provide a little bit more safety, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, let's get this project started. These are the tools you're going to need for today. You're going to need a drill, handrail hardware, stud finder, measuring tape, pencil, Phillips screwdriver, and drill bits. First, let's compare the new handrail brackets with the old ones, and the dimensions are the same. This allows me to use the same height measurement of this handrail, which the original builders installed, and I'm using it as a guide for the new install. So we're going to take the measurement of the bracket on this handrail. Next step, I want to locate the studs in the wall and mark the wall with the location. I like to use this stud finder because it does warn me of any electrical wires that are hidden in the wall. With the stud locations marked, mark the placement of the handrail bracket. Drill the first screw hole for the bracket and secure it to the wall and mark the other screw holes. Also, when you are installing a new handrail or a handrail in your house, just check with your local code to make sure you're at the correct height. Alright, now that we've got all the holes marked for the first bracket, let's loosen it off and drill the pilot holes. Just a quick reminder, have your drill in the drill setting, highest speed. For the installing of the screws, change the drill to a higher torque setting. Okay, with the first bracket installed, mark where it'll line with the handrail. You then secure that handrail to the first bracket and align the handrail with the existing one. I marked the holes for the second bracket on the wall. Remember, the bracket goes in the stud which you marked earlier. Alright, now that we've got the holes marked for the second bracket, time to break out the drill again and drill the pilot holes. Then once we got those pilot holes done, let's fasten the second bracket to the wall. Mark the handrail where it'll line with the second bracket and drill the pilot holes. Now it's time to break out that straight edge as we're getting near the finish line. Mark the handrail where you want to trim it. For this, I did use the miter box and trimmed off the excess. You then sand the edges of the handrail, give it a nice smooth brown finish. With the sanding done, time to install it and give it a paint job. Hope you found this video helpful. Please give a comment, a like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care out there.